Hello there, my name is Musa the Giant from Durban, South Africa. Welcome to another Valr video tutorial. In this video, I would like to show you how to sell your cryptocurrency for South African rands and then withdraw your rands into your bank account if you are based in South Africa. All right, so this video tutorial is actually part of this entire crypto investing crash course that I recorded for anyone who would like to create and build a diversified crypto portfolio. So on this video, the video that I'm actually recording right now is this one titled Sell Crypto and Withdraw Fiat to Your Bank. All right. So without any further ado, let's go to the video tutorial. So I will switch back to my Valr wallet and make sure that you are logged onto it and you have the home tab selected right here. And the first thing you want to do before you actually sell your crypto so that you can withdraw your ZAR to your bank account is to link your bank account with your Valr wallet. So how do you link the two? It's very easy. You just click the menu at the top right corner here and then go to payment method here. As you can see here, in my case, I already have a list of 3 different bank accounts that I have already linked with my Valr account. In your case, you might not have. So all you need to do is to click the add payment method button here if you want to add your first, your second, or any bank account that belongs to you. So click the add payment method button and then select for ZAR withdrawals. And then choose the bank you want to link with your account. The list is long here, so it depends on which bank you bank with. So say for instance, I want to link it with my I want to link it with my NetBank account. I will just select NetBank. Again, it depends on the bank you bank with. You can link it with any bank that was, listed in the list you just saw. And then enter the account, your name here where it says enter your account holder name in the box. And then select the account type, for instance, check, current account, savings account, transmission account, bond account. And then the branch code should be auto-populated in the branch code box. And then enter your account number in the account number box. And then you would need to authorize this by clicking the authorize by email and then go to your email and just click the authorize button to authorize this. And then by so doing, you would have added your bank account as a payment method, or you would have linked your bank account with your Valr exchange, just like you see my ones here. So once you have done that, which is step number 1, to link your bank account and with your Valr, the next step is to go to the home page, right? And then remember, you cannot withdraw cryptocurrency to a bank. You need to exchange your cryptocurrency into fiat currency, then withdraw fiat currency like rands into your bank. So the next step is to sell your cryptocurrency for ZAR. So to do that, just click the buy or sell button here. Normally, the buy button will be selected like so, and normally the default would be Bitcoin, depending on the cryptocurrency that you last traded. So if you happen to see a Bitcoin like that and the buy button is selected, but you know that you want to sell your crypto for ZAR, the next step is to click the sell button here because you want to sell your crypto for ZAR, and then select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. In my case, let's just say I want to sell my Avalanche for South African rands. So I just click on Avalanche, and it says rand, but if your country is using a different cryptocurrency, or if you are able to, if you want to sell it for Tether, but in this case, we're just going to stick with fiat currency because we want to withdraw to a South African bank account. All right, so just leave it at ZAR and then select the amount you want to sell. In my case, I want to sell all my AVAX coins for South African rands, and then click the review sell button. And if you are happy with what you are seeing there, just click the sell now button. And as you can see, order completed. So when you go back to your wallets, you would have some balance in your South African rands wallet. And then to withdraw, you just click on the ZAR wallet and then click withdraw. That's the first method you can use. Or if you just go back to your home page and then click on withdraw, and then by default it will select fiat. But if you wanted to withdraw crypto to another crypto exchange, again, we are not doing that. We are withdrawing fiat, right? So fiat, and then if you are in South Africa, it will select South African rand. So select South African rand and then enter the amount you want to withdraw, and make sure that the bank you want to withdraw to is selected. If you have added or linked more than one bank account to your Valr wallet, just click this down arrow and choose the bank account you want to withdraw to. In my case, I want to use this one. And then if you want to perform a fast withdrawal, just toggle this button on, and notice that you'll be charged a fee of 30 rands for performing a fast withdrawal. But in my case, I'm not in a hurry. I will just leave it off like that and then click the review withdrawal button. And everything is looking good. Double check everything. If you are happy with that, just click on confirm withdrawal. In my case, I have protected my Valr account with the two-factor authentication app, so I will have to enter the code here. In your case, if you haven't done that, you will be sent a verification email. Just go to that verification email and then verify your withdrawal, and then it will go through. So I just entered the verification code, and as you can see, it says withdrawal request received. So what they will do is just to process my withdrawal to the bank account number that I provided, and then I will just press OK here, and that's it. That's how you perform a withdrawal from your Valr wallet. So again, the video that I was just doing for you is the one titled "Sell the Crypto and Withdraw Fiat to Your Bank." So by all of that, I hope that I've been able to show you exactly how to go about performing a withdrawal from your Valr exchange to your bank account. So if you found any of these tutorial video informative and useful to you, please feel free to share the link to this crypto investing crash course with as many people as you would like to empower them with the knowledge and skills of investing in cryptocurrencies. And as I always say, that my mission is to onboard at least 10,000 people into crypto. But obviously I cannot do this alone. That's why I am asking for your assistance in this case. So again, thank you for watching this video. My name is Musa the Giant from Durban, South Africa. I wish you nothing but the best in your crypto journey, and let's get this crypto. Bye for now.